There are different operating systems found on embedded devices, including Windows and even custom-made ones. However, even though it is difficult to come up with the exact numbers, it is certain that Linux has the biggest market share, especially if you also include Android devices which also use the Linux kernel. So, if you are keen to pursue a career in embedded software development, starting with Linux would help you to understand the basics and lay the right foundation. This, of course, is the embedded operating system side of things. It is possible to use a different desktop operating system than your target one. I mean, you still can develop software for embedded Linux on a Windows PC. However, it is getting more and more common to see developers using Linux desktop distributions due to the out-of-the-box support for development tasks and also the practicality of keeping the dev and target environments as similar as possible. Right. Before we get lost, I think it is about time to explain some of the terminology used so far. The environment used to develop and compile your code is called the host, typically your PC and desktop operating system. The device that runs the compiled application is the target. Usually, in embedded development, the host and target are different. Therefore, the special type of compilation done on the host to produce binaries for target is called cross-compilation. Don't get too confused with these, as they are not in the scope of the bootstrapping course, but at least you have an idea. The Linux kernel and so many open source tools built on top of it are available free of charge. The bundles created by different organizations and companies for people to use as server and or desktop systems are called distributions, or in short, distros. There are also commercially available distros, but the most widely used free ones would be Ubuntu, Fedora, SUSE, and Debian.